LED lighting. And then if you look here, your oxygen kit. Here it's just a toolbox. And over here it's a two-part thing. Again, just more toolboxes for different nuts, bolts, or whatever you want to put there. It's just a storage container. This back door is a little bit rougher, just because that's where they always fold up and do work on. So this thing kind of just pushes back. You got the batteries in the back there. This of course flips down. You got the device there. There's some more shelving for the toolboxes, and those are mud guards for the floor. There you have the cow pump, an inverter. The LED lighting is all the way around too. It's got it on, it's got 4 of them. Same sort of idea here, just a racking system.